Hi there, students. An effigy. An effigy. Okay, an effigy is a model, a representation, normally of a person, a sculpture or a model of a person. And very often, an effigy is roughly made in order to be destroyed as a protest. So on the 5th of November, it was Guy Fawkes Night, and British people burn effigies of Guy Fawkes. Notice, an effigy, this is a model of somebody who is hated or despised. And the effigy, the guy, is made in order to be burned. Notice, originally Guy Fawkes was viewed as a terrorist who tried to kill the king. But nowadays, he is a hero who is anti-establishment and anti the status quo, putting the people into submission. So, well, it's still an effigy, but you don't normally burn an effigy of your hero. Okay, so after when the revolution took place, the streets were full of people burning effigies of the ex-dictator. I'm sure at the moment there are Americans burning effigies of Mr. Putin and Russians burning effigies of Mr. Biden. Okay, so an effigy, it's effectively a dummy or a copy. It's made to look like a person. It doesn't have to always be in this negative sense. For example, if you look at medieval tombs, you will see this long box, and on top is a statue that is an effigy of the person who is buried there, a representation of it. So an effigy, a statue or a carving of a famous person. I guess in Trafalgar Square you've got Nelson's column, and at the top of Nelson's column we have an effigy, a statue of Admiral Lord Nelson. Okay, so effectively it's a posh word for a statue of something. But I think more normally we have an effigy, which is a rough figure made in order to be destroyed or burnt, to show that you feel contempt for somebody or you hate somebody. I guess you could make something else in effigy of something else and then burn it or destroy it. But most commonly this is a person. So I think effigy in two different ways. An effigy, a figure or a dummy who is hated by a group of people, or just a likeness, an image of a person, more neutrally. Okay, so an effigy, often as well, an effigy talks about a crude representation. And then you have the phrase in effigy. And effectively the bonfire with Guy Fawkes is something that is done in effigy. The demonstrators hanged a dummy in effigy of their ex-leader. Okay, so effectively it's the guy, it's a wax figure, it's a likeness, a model, a statue, a carving. So an effigy. Formality. Wow, this word's up there in formality and literary. I think I would give it a 7 in formality. Don't use it informally. Informal conversation, yes. Semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing and formal writing, definitely. And then as to origin, it comes through French from effigies in Latin, Effingo, a verb to represent, to portray. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Effigy.